And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, an upper-level disturbance has been moving throughout the viewing area over the last few hours, dropping some light flurries across the region. But things are very dry at the surface. And even though a lot of this snow is beginning to fall in the upper atmosphere, we get down to the surface and it looks a lot like this, just mainly cloudy skies. A few flurries falling every once in a while, and that is all because humidity at this point is under 50%. We're at 49% for humidity. You can see a few flurries there right on the screen. But 18 degrees as you step out the door this midday. Temperatures today will be warming up into the mid to low 20s, but a nice little increase from yesterday, though anything's pretty much an increase from yesterday, right? Winds still from the southwest right around 8 miles per hour, and it will be the southwesterly winds that help boost temperatures throughout the remainder of the day. That wind chill sitting right around 8 degrees as you step outside. So not exactly a warm one to say the least, but temperatures are at least getting up to the 20s at this point in Rossville. 20 for Rossville, 18 Kokomo, right around 17 degrees in Fowler as of right now. And we are expecting more cloud cover to continue to stick around the viewing area throughout the day today. Mainly cloudy skies are expected as a low pressure system tracks across the Great Lakes. We have a high pressure system off across the Great Plains and western Midwest. That extends all the way further up to the north as well. And that is what's causing those southwesterly winds throughout the day today, and that's what's going to help warm things up. It'll also produce a slight chance for some light flurries overnight tonight as it brings moisture off of Lake Michigan over our viewing area. Temperatures today warming up to 23 for Lafayette, 20 Fowler, 21 in Attica before we dip back down to the mid to low teens, 13 overnight tonight. We stay cloudy. We do see that slight chance of flurries overnight tonight with winds shifting back to the northwest right around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow we get underway, see a few light clouds during the early morning hours, but this high pressure clears things out throughout the day, keeping us mostly sunny throughout the morning, the early afternoon. But as we get into the evening hours, things begin to change. We are tracking a secondary low pressure system that's going to be moving across the northern Great Plains throughout the day on Thursday, and by Thursday evening it should begin to move on in. Notice though, on Futurecast we aren't seeing any snowfall whatsoever, and this is something that we're trying to get a hold of. We have multiple forecast models that we look at every single day. A lot of these models are painting nothing for us. Some of these models are painting as much as 6 inches of snowfall by Friday morning. So right now we are talking about a slight chance of snow moving in late tomorrow night. 25 your high temperature for tomorrow. We are going to be seeing that snow move in late. We could be seeing anywhere between say 2 to 6 inches of snowfall, but once again that number is very likely to change over the next 24 hours. That is something we are going to pay a lot of attention to as we get into your Thursday. Temperatures will be on the rise as far as next week goes, though we will be staying in the mid to low 20s throughout the next 4 days. We see 24 degrees for your high temperature on Saturday. Sunday, we're finally back up into the 30s, Jamie. We'll hit 37 on Monday with a wintry mix and rain showers on Tuesday with a high of 40 degrees.
You know, I was reminded when I returned from Central America that it was wintertime in Indiana. Big difference.
Yeah, only a slight difference. I mean, well, obviously, if you get south of the equator, it is summer during the winter for us. So things are a little bit cooler up here, but the good news is we warm up at least a little bit for next week.
And we know you'll keep us updated on that snow.
Definitely.
All right, thank you.